Today we're going to talk about the Release Tracks feature in CA Continuous Delivery Director, or CDD for short. You can use release tracks to bundle several releases into tracks to deliver all the bundled releases into production at the same time. This is a great feature to use when you are releasing an application along with a platform upgrade or multiple dependent microservices. In this example, I have two applications that need to release at the same time: financial services and financial reporting. I'll create a release track to keep them together. First, I go to Create Track and name the track. Then I set the production start and end dates. Now I'll create milestones that all releases must reach together. If the release fails to achieve this milestone, it could jeopardize the overall release schedule. Should that happen, it will be marked with a red flag. Now that I've created a track, I'll add the releases to it. I start typing the release name and select the release I want to add. Now I map the production phase to the production time frame. Then I map the QA phase to the QA milestone. Finally, I add the release to the track. Okay, now I'll add the second release to the track so you can see the effect. Both releases have now been added to the track. Neither is currently executing, nor have they reached the QA deadline. Now that you've set up the release track, you can track progress on the release track page. If a release falls behind against milestones or the production date, you will receive notifications to alert you. After release phases begin executing, you can see the progress of the release on the track page. The yellow line shows the current date, which precedes the QA deployment deadline. The blue indicator for one release shows that while it is running, it has not yet completed the QA phase. The green tick on the other release shows that the QA phase is already complete. If I reach the milestone date without completing all the milestone tasks, red flags will appear. On the track page, I find the red flag symbol related to the release. Note that this red flag does not force me to act. It is simply notifying me that I've missed the milestone date. Also, notice that since the final milestone date has been reached, the production phases are now eligible to be approved. In this example, one of the releases is not ready yet, so I'll withhold approval for now. After the releases have completed through all milestone phases, I can set the approvals for the various releases. In my case, all releases are complete through the QA phase, but the production timeframe has not been reached. Still, I can mark the releases as approved so that when the date comes, all will be ready to run the final phase. After the final production timeframe has arrived and the approvals have been given, the production phases can be run. The release track now shows the execute icons for both releases. When I click the execute icon for the release, tasks for the final phase begin executing. Thanks for watching this video about CA Continuous Delivery Director Release Tracks. For more information about CA CDD, click the link on this page. From there, you can access product documentation and connect with others through CA communities. You will also find information about CA CDD training through the Learning Path.